Hello student, now we will talk about the basic feature of animalia. It means the animal which are present in kingdom animalia. So there are following characteristics which are as first, these are eukaryotic. It means eukaryotic, multicellular, heterotrophic. So in these 3 points there is no problem, because you know that eukaryotic means all the animals have only eukaryotic cell, no prokaryotic cell. Multicellular, it means they have a number of the cell, these are not unicellular. Heterotrophic, it means these animals never be autotroph, but they may be parasites, saprophytic, symbiotic, anything. After that, holozoic, this is main point. So holozoic mode of nutrition, it means they take the food in the form of the solid or liquid. Solid, when they take the food in the form of the solid, it is known as phagocytosis, and when they take the food in the form of the liquid, pinocytosis. But digestion is compulsory. It means they receive or take food in the form of the solid and liquid, and after that they digest it. It means digestion is compulsory. Then growth, it means non-living thing as stone can also grow, but here point is this, that growth means growth by cell division. It means animal grow by the division of the cell. Then locomotion. Now these points are very important. Here the couple star, here 4 star, here 2 star. So what is the meaning of this? Means locomotion. So locomotion, it means all the animal showing locomotion in search of food and shelter, except sponge. It means the member of the phylum Porifera not showing locomotion. This is very important point, because member of Porifera are sessile. Sessile means stable. It means they are not motile. So this point is very important. The animal of which group of animalia, it means in which phylum animals are sessile. So answer is Porifera. After that, nervous and sensory control. So you know that they are moving from one place to another place for in search of food and shelter. That's why there is a need of more sensitivity. That's why sensibility. That's why nervous system and sensory control present here. That is unique feature, because it is not found in any kingdom except animalia. That's why unique feature found only in animalia. This is very important. Except Porifera. It means here need to mention that except Porifera. It means in member of the Porifera, nervous system not found, no sensory control. Why? What is the need? Because they are sessile animal. After that, reproduction. So reproduction, this feature is found from Monera to animalia in all. So this is not a very unique feature, because reproduction found in all. But main point is this, that here animals reproduce mainly by sexual reproduction. What kind of the reproduction is main? Mainly they reproduce by sexual reproduction. But don't think, some animals showing what? Asexual reproduction. So but asexual reproduction also found in some group, as in Porifera asexual reproduction found with sexual reproduction. In Coelenterata also asexual reproduction found. In Platyhelminthes, Terminalia, Termitoda and Cystoda, in which Terminalia there is planaria. So if you cut the planaria into pieces, suppose that this is planaria. So here, if you cut the planaria in pieces, so each piece can produce new organism. That's why in Platyhelminthes also asexual reproduction found. Okay, so it means in case of animalia, mainly sexual reproduction found, but asexual reproduction also found in Porifera, Coelenterata and Platyhelminthes. But Coelenterata and Ctenophora, Ctenophora have 80% similar characteristic like to the Coelenterata. But in Ctenophora, only sexual reproduction found. That is very important point. Okay, so these are the characteristic of animalia.